Best free landing page builders in 2021. Hi guys, what is up? I hope you're doing great. And in today's video, I'm going to be telling you how you can create a free landing page in 2021. So I'm about to show you 5 websites that I think are some of the very best landing page builders in 2021 as of this moment. And I will be showing you how you can create one for yourself. So I'm just simply going to show you this process once, and then you can apply that process on all of the websites, and that is basically it. And I will be telling you which one that I found is the most suitable for me, and then you can use that information to see which one is most suitable for you. So let's just go ahead and jump into the video without wasting any more of your precious time. So the first website that I have for you guys is called Mailchimp.com. Now Mailchimp.com is an amazing website where you can find almost all kinds of websites. So you can make websites for your businesses, for your online payments, or if you're selling different types of products, basically anything you want, Mailchimp has got you covered. So let me just go ahead and let me show you how you can create one yourself. You just simply have to create an account and log in, and after that your web page will look something like this. And once you're over here, so to create a website, all you have to do is basically sign up on this website on Mailchimp.com. And once you've signed up, the website will look something like this. And as you can see, we have all these different settings in front of us, but our main focus of this video is to show you how you can create your web page, how you can create your landing page create your landing page. So simply go ahead and click on this pen tool, on this pen icon on the left side at the top right here. Click on create, and after that you will have 4 options. So you have email, you have customer journeys, you have landing page, and you have multi-channel design. So click on landing page, and over here all you have to do is enter the name of your landing page. So once you've entered the name of your landing page, simply click on begin. And once you have done that, you will have all these different types of templates right in front of you. So as you can see, we have different categories of templates. So we have a promoting product template, we have accepting payment template, we have a growing list template, and we have accept payments, and lead generations. So just choose whichever template that is most suitable for your website. So I'm just simply going to choose this one because I find it the most different and I find it the most helpful for this tutorial and review. So let's just simply click on this template. So as you can see, once you've selected a template, wait for it to load, and once it's loaded up, it will look something like this. So as you can see, the setup, so the customization tools and the options are fairly simple. So you have a pre-made website over here, and whenever you move your mouse on a block or a text, you will get this bar in front of you or a box. So, and on that box you have 3-4 different options. So you have a copy or a duplicate block, you have an added icon, you have the move options, and you have the trash can. So basically, if you want to move this, you can just simply grab this and you can just simply move it over here. You can move it up and down and you left and right, but you can't place it anywhere you want. It has to be at a specific angle. And if you want to edit it, simply click on this icon, and over here on the right side you will see that you have all these different options. So you can change that text and you can make it bold, make it italic, make it underlined, or even connect a link to that text, which means that if anyone clicks on that text, they will be redirected towards the link that you have linked it to. And once we click on style, we can change the fonts, we can change its size, we can change the color as well, we can make it bold as I said before, we can even adjust its alignment, and we can even change the height of the lines as well. So as you can see, we have a fairly simple setup. So once you've made changes to a text or a block, simply click on save and close, and it will be saved. So let's just say that if you want to change the background of this website, simply come over to the background, and over here at the bottom left corner you will see that you have the color option, you will have the image option, and you will have the remove. So basically if you click on remove, it will remove this whole section over here. And if you want to change the color, you just simply click on color, and down below you can just simply change that color. So as you can see, I've changed it, or if you want, you can just change it to a image. So click on image, wait for it to load, and over here as you can see, we have no images uploaded as of yet. We can change, and we can just simply click on upload, and we can just select the image that we want to upload from our files, and that is basically it. You can even select products if you have some Giphies or Instagram posts. So let's just go ahead and add a Giphy because they seem to have a lot of one. So I'm going to choose this one because I like this one. Simply click on insert, wait for it to load. And as you can see, our Giphy has been loaded and it looks something like this. And if we click on fill, it will fill this section over here. It won't fit. If we click on fit, as we can see, we have a couple of different options. We have tiles. If right now it's on tiles. If we click on fill, this is filled right now. So that is basically it. It's fairly simple, it's fairly easy, it's fluent, it's responsive. It doesn't have a lot of different features that as you might have expected to have, but it does get the job done, and that is basically it. That is how the process works in creating a landing page for you guys. So now once you have made all the changes and added all the text elements, the colors and whatnot, all you have to do is simply click on save and close, and then you will have all these ready. So basically this is your page title. I wrote Chipman, and down below you have a URL, and this will be your link, and this will be your audience and tags. Wrote my name. For some reason I couldn't change my name. You can click on edit audience and it will change it for you, but for me I just stick to it because I couldn't change it at the beginning. And then down below you have content. This is your website. This will be your preview, and once you have everything set up, just simply click on publish and your landing page will be done and it will be published. So now you know how you can create a landing page, and I've already shown you all the features about Chimpman and all the fluency and responsiveness of this website. So now let's go ahead and compare the other four with this one. So the next website I have for you guys is called HubSpot.com. Now HubSpot.com is also very similar to Mailchimp, but unlike Mailchimp, which was mostly related to emails and stuff like that, HubSpot is mostly related to CRM. So if you know what that means, you can create a CRM landing page on this website. So as you can see, they're giving out a demo and it's absolutely free. So simply click on start for free or get a demo. So to sign up, and over here as you can see we have two options. We can either get a demo or we can get start for free, and down below we have some of the services that they offer for different types of categories. So if you want to make a landing page based on Marketing Hub, you just simply click on start free and you will have a landing page that is dedicated for marketing. If you want it for sales, you will have for sales, services for service, and CMS for CMS Hub, and then operations you can just simply see. And then you have down below, and you can even compare features if you want. As you can see, for the free version you won't have a lot of different options, but for a demo it'll be for about 14 days of free trial and have almost all the features that HubSpot offers. So simply go ahead and choose whichever option you want and you will be able to create a free website. Now I'm not going to show you how you can create one because I've already shown you how you can basically create one on Mailchimp. The process is exactly the same on HubSpot as well. So basically the difference between HubSpot and Mailchimp, so if you want you can just simply click on pricings and they will show you all the pricing that are available. For example, it's $45 a month and it is for about $450 a year. For if you choose the starter pack, and for the professionals it is about $400 a month, which is equivalent to $9,000 a year. And then the enterprise is basically $3 a month, which is equivalent to $38,400 per year, which is a bill that at the same time. So as you can see, you can even check out the features as you want. I feel like it's a bit pricey. And another thing, that this option is for the Marketing Hub. So for the sales it will be different, and for customer service and CMS and operations it will be billed at different prices. So let's just go ahead and check out Mailchimp's. So as we can see, for free it's $0 as I said, but for essentials, basically the basic pack, it starts as $9.99 per month with 500 contacts as well, and the standard is $14.99, and it also gives you 500 contacts, and then you have $300 a month, which basically gives you 10,000 contacts. So as you can see, it is much cheaper than HubSpot, so you have to keep that in mind as well when you're choosing which website to use. So now we can move on to the third website, which is Google Sites. Now unlike the previous two, Google Site is also very free. So how you basically create a site is basically click on these three bars over here. How you create a website is basically you click on this plus button over here, and over here click on create a new site and wait for it to load up, and you will be able to create a site. Now unlike the previous two sites which were dedicated to a certain category, which meaning that Mailchimp was related to emails and stuff like that, and HubSpot was mostly related to CRMs, Google site isn't related to anything. You can basically create any website you want. It can be a landing page, it can be a website, it can be anything that you want, and it is fairly simple. But unlike the previous two, it doesn't have a lot of features. As you can see, it is very basic, and the half the features are its own applications that it supports. So it is very basic, doesn't have a lot of flexibility and stuff like that, so you have to keep that in mind. But unlike previous two, it is absolutely free and you can mess around with it however you want. So moving on, we have Ucraft. Now Ucraft is a great website for portfolios or for online stores or responsive website builders, and like Google, it isn't related to one category like the first two websites, but it does have a pricing section. So let me just go ahead and tell you about the prices. So as you can see, it's a free website. So when you choose the free option, you can connect your own domain. You will have 15 numbers of pages. You won't have advanced element, but you will have security. You will have unlimited bandwidth, but you won't have all the other tools as well. But if you choose the pro website, which is going for $10 per month, it will have all these different types of options. You will have basically all the options that you need for making a very wonderful website. And for the pro shop, it's $21 per month, and for unlimited, it's $69 per month. So basically you'll have two options: either pick the most popular one or pick the pro shop. Whichever one you choose, it's basically up to you, depends upon pricing as well. And to create a website, you just simply have to click on try for free now, and then you simply have to choose a template, and then you can just edit that template the exact same way as I showed you in the beginning of this video. So that was it for Ucraft. And last but not least, we have Clavio. Now Clavio is similar to all the other websites, but unlike those, this is more oriented to e-commerce business. So basically, unlike Google and Ucraft, this is also related to e-commerce stores, basically related to one niche, just like Mailchimp is related to emails and stuff like that, and HubSpot is related to CRMs. That in the same way, Clavio is related to e-commerce businesses. So let's just go ahead and check out the pricings for you guys. So click on pricings at the top right here, and over here, as you can see, we will get a pricing list estimated at the size of our email list. As you can see, if I have an e-contacts of about 5,000, then the total estimate will be $100 per month. So what that basically means is that your price per month will be depending on the total number of email contacts that you have and stuff like that. Now, if we click on SMS, this will tell you the amount of contacts that you basically need and the amount they will charge you for SMS. So if you have 150 contacts, they will charge you $5 per month. And let's just say that if you have around 1,000 contacts, it will charge you $40 a month. But if we check out email and SMS, as we can see, if we have 1,000 each, they will charge you at $70 per month. So keep that in mind when using Clavio, guys. So that was it for this video, guys. If you have any other questions, let me know in the comment section down below, and also tell me which one of these sites are you most excited to use them. If not, or if you know a site that is better than all 5 of these, please let me know as well in the comment section down below, and I will be sure to check those out as well. So if having said that, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notification, guys, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care, goodbye.